Did you know that I'm a vlogger now?
You are?
Yeah, I'm just gonna decide to vlog right now.
The last vlog of your entire month, you're just gonna be a vlogger.
Yeah, I'm a vlogger now.
That's fine.
So hey, what's up you guys? We're going to Universal today. We're going to maybe try to ride the new ride.
Tonight.
Are you excited?
I'm so excited. It'll be so fun.
This might actually be the last time that we come here. Or at least that I come here for a while. Because we're blocked out for the entire month of July. And then I'm leaving at the beginning of August, so good time. Alright, I'm a vlogger now.
Vlog live.
Alright, so we got in line for the new Universal ride, the Hagrid Motorbike ride. It's like, they said it would be like 3 hours. Yes, we just barely got in line. It's hot, we're outside, there's no shade right now. But the whole park is really busy today, so we figure if we're gonna wait for any ride, it might as well be the ride we've never gone on before. They have water in the line, so that's good, I guess. They have like fans and stuff.
We have misters with their fans.
Yeah, it's been moving so far, so hopefully it's not actually 3 hours, but I guess we'll see.
Rather happy thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard we did see facing skirts and uniforms.
So we just went on the Hagrid motorcycle ride, and it was really good.
10 out of 10 amazing.
Yes, it was amazing. It was such a smooth roller coaster.
Stopped twice on us, so.
Yeah, so it stopped while we were on it, but we got to go on it again, so we went on it twice. We waited about 3 hours, which is a long time to wait. It didn't seem that bad though.
If we had gone on it twice, so.
Yeah.
It didn't break down, that would have been 6 hours.
Yeah, we got to go on it twice, which not most people get to do, so it was fun. It was really good. I'm glad we went on it. All right, peace out. That's it. Is that a pen?
I think so.
Does it smell like chocolate? Oh my gosh, smell it. Oh my gosh.
$15.
Those are amazing. Alright, well that's the end of our Universal vlog. It wasn't very exciting. It was super hot and busy today, so we didn't go on a lot of the rides. We just walked around mostly. But we got to go on the new ride, so that was cool. But yeah, that's it. I don't know if I'll vlog anymore. My vlogging career might be over.
We gave it a shot.
Yeah. Alright, bye!